here we have my first ever vintage unit, the 1969 GM Frigidaire window air conditioner, 6,000 BTUs. So let's get into this. So here's a walk around. I know the top of it's been scratched because I have the Emerson sitting on top of it. I'm planning on repainting it in the spring before I install it, or just to display it a little bit better. But here's the back of it. Same old, except I haven't really done a full thing on this unit since I restored it. Well, before I restored it. But yeah, let's take off the front cover. Here's the inside here. Put this down here. Let's show off the data sheet. Alright, yeah, here. Alright. Alright. Okay, Frigidaire Division of General Motors Corporation, Dayton, Ohio, I think, or Dayton, USA. Guaranteed rated performance data: 6,000 BTU, 7.5 amps, 850 watts, 110 volts, 60 hertz, 19 ounces of R22. In 1969. So yeah, here we have the coil here, and I repainted the blower and everything on it. I'll turn on my flashlight so you guys can see it better. Alright, here we are. Here's a better look at the bloom fan here. It's not the best painted thing. Not gonna lie, this restoration was kind of half-assed. Not gonna lie, but what you gonna do? But the thing was basically mint before, so it's not really, just extra precautions. Kind of see in there, you can kind of see the blue fan and the half blue motor. Over here, you can see the reciprocating compressor right in there. And here you can see the coils. So yeah, I guess we'll start it up on cool. Yeah, this is ugly. There's a lot of paint like surfaces. It's coming back and it's scraping off on the parts that are vulnerable, but we'll fix it. So yeah, let's start it up. Alright, let's start up on fan first. Turn on the thermostat. Let's start up on fan. Slow fan, you can see it has adjustable louvers, both sides. Nice airflow on the back. It's really good, actually. See, it has one side louver, but the seller forgot to give me the other one. Alright, here's low and high. Very good airflow, and it's actually very quiet. Let's put it back to low, and we're going to start up the compressor. 3, 2, 1. It's already getting cold. Alright, my video cut out, but it's been running for a good amount of time. Let's take some temp checks. The ambient in here is about 72, so let's see. Yeah, about 52. That's already like a 50 degrees split. Let's see. Here, 7, 46. 44. 43, 42, 41, 40, 30s. Alright, that's on par with most of my vintage units, so that's great. Same thing as it's always been. Let's see about this grill, see what's going on, everything. Let's try high cool. See what we're getting on the compressor. Compressor is about 60. No way, it's that cold. No way it's 60. Oh yeah, like 75, yeah, that's normal. Alright, on here we're getting about 90, 92, that's also on par. Alright, let's see what we're getting on the coils. Oh yeah, that's like icy cold, let's see. That's like sweating. That's a full charge. Actually, it was a little warm in the bottom. I think it was just because it's taking filter. Alright. Oh yeah, that's filter back up. Filter's kind of dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it. But yeah, that's ice cold. Throw back on. Put it on high and go around it. Right here, it's also very quiet. Let's put it in between. Check the flow. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Whew. You have refrigerants too. Alright, see you guys in the next one.